जब जेब में मनी हो तो कुंडली में शनि होने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ये मेरी एस्ट्रोलॉजी है. The way they have made this show, it is so real, so natural, so believable that suddenly people have owned it up. The way people are making memes out of it, there are
Yes.
T-shirts being sold, there are mugs being sold. Look at this.
Oh my
So I
God.
mean, I am going crazy over it. So I never approached this character as a hero or a villain. We never wanted to, portray him as a good person or a bad person or something. We just approached this character with a neutral perspective and humanized him.
Thank you so much, Pratik, for finding time for our listeners and viewers. It's ultimate pleasure to see you, and we're very
Thank you.
happy to have you. You know, Pratik, I
Thank
managed to
you.
complete
Thank
the
you very
web
much.
series yesterday night. I made it a point. I'm going to see every scene and come to you. And it was really, really entertaining, realistic. And I can say that because I've been a business journalist. So for me, going in that share market round, ground and BSc and all has been a regular event. So how did you feel about it, Pratik? Being there, that was not your area. How have you experienced it?
Oh, it's a brilliant, brilliant place to be in. I mean, I saw the share market for the first time in my life. I went inside BSC where we shot that entire scene that you must have watched in the first episode, that BSC ring where the trading used to happen. It's a brilliant thing, yeah, brilliant feel. I mean, all these things that we have to, I used to see on television sometimes. I used to just hear from people who were very, very active in share market. And I was never that active. I'm still not that active, or I don't do any much transactions in shares and all. But very interesting learning.
Did your heartbeat go up and down with the bull and the bear, right? Did you ever feel that pulse in you?
Oh yes, oh yes. So while performing that scene, I actually felt that.
Yes, how difficult it can get. But I have to tell you, Pratik, so much love, so much emotions pouring out. I have just experienced it in the last 6 hours. जब से मैंने लोगों को बोला है, you have any question? I've been like, I've been sending you very few of them, but really people have adored your performance and your character, the way people have first time connected to a character, real and real. How do you look at that?
Yeah.
उन्होंने हर्षद मेहता से तो कनेक्ट किया ही, but प्रतीक गांधी से भी उतना ही कनेक्ट किया. What has worked for you, you believe?
I mean, a lot of things, I guess. I don't know the honesty that works for people, or the natural flair of the character also works for the people. And I guess they were not coming with any expectation when they started watching this. Well, nobody had any expectation because I guess I don't. Largely people, they have not watched my work, so that also came to them as a surprise. So that also worked for me. And of course, all credits to the makers. The way they have made this show, it is so real, so natural, so believable that suddenly people have owned it up. And one of the cleanest show on this on the platform, on any OTT platform, that the entire family can sit and watch it together, barring few curse words, which also comes so organically that you don't even, it doesn't hurt you, it doesn't hit you. So yeah, a lot of things fell in place together.
कौन सा हर्षद मेहता का कैरेक्टर है that you take with yourself and you stay with it now, like his family person being his intellectual businessman, कौन सा part है जो you quite relate to?
I think his initial part of journey is where I relate the most.
Like
When
the
he
whole
started,
step by step.
Yeah, step by step, the way he was growing, the way he was trying to make his own place in the mainstream industry and all. That's where I relate the most.
Did you feel the same like when you came into the industry? I don't know how you define that. आपने इतना theater किया है. You've been an engineer. So I like this combination of being a performer and being an engineer and worked with Reliance. So how do you relate to this entire placement of yourself, insider, outsider industry में you are accepted? कैसा रहा आपका journey last, a decade and more?
मैंने जितना भी काम किया तक, मतलब मैंने जितना भी काम किया है, I have got a very good acceptance that way. People have accepted, people have been encouraging around me. सब ठीक था. It's just that I was constantly searching for some big opportunity where I can showcase my craft on a bigger platform. And it took almost 15 years to reach there. So that's a long journey for me. And I guess this journey differs person to person. किसी का शायद
Yes.
1 महीने में हो जाए, किसी को पहले दिन में हो जाए, and somebody might take 15-20 years. But
Yes.
that's okay. That's how it is. There is no thumb rule.
But कभी पता था कि कोई ऐसा character जिंदगी में आएगा that will turn your life around? I mean, in the farthest of the dream, did you think of the character like this to play in your life ever?
Oh yes, I kept thinking about such characters because theater पे मैंने बहुत सारे biographical characters create किए. I've done a lot of biographical characters on stage.
Okay.
And I've got good accolades, good appreciation on stage. So I had got some, faith in myself कि यार ये कर पाऊंगा. And I was always thinking that something like this, if I can create on a bigger platform, that will be the game for me. And that's how it came.
When it came, you knew it कि ये तो होने वाला है मुझसे, कि it took you a long to be there. It just happened to you? Whatever played out after the success or during the process?
No, so I had that hunch that this will be a very good project that I'll be proud about.
Yes.
I'll take a pride when I talk about the project because the kind of people involved in it, like Hansal Mehta is super duper experienced and he's a gem of a person and a magician. When it comes to biography, he is a magician. He knows the narrative. He knows how to tell the story. Apart from him, applause team like Samir Nair and all, they are very, very experienced people when it comes to select the content or anything. Sony's team. So the way project was mounted, I was sure that it's going to be a good project. But I had never personally thought that it will become so big.
You woke up in the morning and you were like, okay, Harshad has done something good to me also.
Yeah, man, life changed.
One thing I have, which I think many people wanted to ask, with this character, I spoke to Sucheta Dalal also, and she told me how Samir took a year and a half and more to bring this entire project up. This whole पूरा ये हर्षद का character is not a very simple character, जितना हमको समझा है. And people have asked this question कि movie में जब web series में जब हम देखते हैं, so it's coming like a very positive side of him is also come. People have sympathized with him. But if you look at from the book point of view, it has been touted as not a very noble deed. It has caused some kind of problem in the system and country. It took some advantage. How did you, as an actor, you play what the director tells you or the writer writes for you? How did you resonate or look at him to bring it in you? Like, आपने इसको कैसे इस character?
So that's a very interesting side, the very interesting method that Hansal Mehta also has as a director, because he doesn't guide you. He doesn't direct you becoming an actor. So he will not do something and then ask me to copy that. He will not even read my dialogues. He will just talk to me. And that's what he would do. Like, what do you think about this character? How do you portray this? So think about these characteristics and all. That's all we discussed before we started shooting. Once we were on floor, we hardly have interacted.
How would you do that?
So, in fact, there were a few ground rules that we created for ourselves. Let's not mimic him. Let's not make him caricaturish. Let's not try too hard to behave like him. The only thing that we wanted to focus was to create a character that can come out as Harshad's spirit, that can portray him as a spirit and a soul. So all internalization process. And what must have happened, what must have happened in his life, and whatever was happening during that time, what must have happened inside his mind, the feelings, is what I was supposed to, portray. So I never approached this character as a hero or a villain. We never wanted to, portray him as a good person or a bad person or something. We just approached this character with a neutral perspective and humanized him.
When you completed this role, what character had you become? Ultimately, did you internalize and think, okay, this is what Harshad feels, How was it to differentiate and come out of the set after the shoot?
Yeah. So for me, see, switch on, switch off is a process that I actually, do very quickly now, with whatever experience that I have of theater and whatever, of films or whatever. Because switch on, switch off is one thing that we have to consistently do every day. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult for an actor to have a normal life in a personal life, normal personal life. So, and because as I told you that in earlier days of my theater, I had done a lot of plays like that where I was performing multiple characters in one play. So without just changing a little bit of body language, I can create another character.
Wow.
And that training had happened since the school time.
Wow.
So it has gone inside me in such a way that it has become my second nature. So being Harshad during that time, I can play like him, I can react like him, I can even improvise my lines being Harshad. Once I'm out of the set, I'm out. I'm Pratik. Then nothing to do with him.
So this Pratik is a very someone who can easily improvise, get into the clothes, and come out of it, and just be the. So can we know one part of you, which is which you can say is unique to you as Pratik that you have carried through all the roles you've played till now?
One unique part of me is I don't know, but I what I try, I can tell you that what I generally try is to be like absolutely neutral actor who can get into any skin and any costume to become a character. So I feel that I should be like a water who can be mixed with any juice or any cola to get that flavor. I
I
don't
think I
want to
have
have my own color and own my own smell, so that the character should not look like me.
बहुत ही मजे हुए actor हैं. That's what I can understand from someone who's really passionate an actor with the way you have adopted the whole profession with you. Pratik, there's so many questions. As I told you, I had one question I have got from Adya Das, and so many people first have given me one line. How does he manage to look so young and so different? So
Oh
that's a
my,
compliment coming to you. Many people
I
wrote
guess
to me.
that.
They're really fond of
Thank you very much, guys.
Great. I have a question from you from Atya Das. As I was saying, she said that I'll just read it out for you, which says, how does it feel when you're doing the same work for the long time, but suddenly you get identified? Do you internally get feeling of satisfaction? Do you
Yeah,
have any?
so when I was approached for this character and when I got the character, I really felt I was overjoyed for sure, and uh, I felt good that the craft that I had been practicing, that I had been performing since a long time. So the craft that I had been practicing is working for people. People are noticing it, and it is fetching me more work. So that's a big satisfaction for me कि कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहा हूँ सही रास्ते पे हूँ.
But regret था कि इतना time लग गया कि it was okay कि time लगा.
Regret तो नहीं था पर हाँ यार ये तो मतलब see it was always there as an actor you always wanted to do कि यार जल्दी जितना जल्दी होगा उतना अच्छा है लंबा रन मिलेगा.
हाँ.
Because यही चीज अगर 5 साल पहले होती तो I could have done little more work in this time. But I guess no regrets. Whatever happened at a correct time with its own pace, and Almighty has some plans for me. So yeah.
And I have one more question from Yashi. He says that which is that part in the role that you played that you would want to change in Harshad's life if given an opportunity, since you have imbibed the character so much in you and played it?
I think at one point I personally felt कि यार now stop. Don't go beyond this. I actually wanted to stop him at one point. Where he went behind that 500 crores towards the end, I said, now this is it. Whatever has happened. Now don't do this.
Did you Pratik feel the media pressure? How we talk about media, and as a controversial, renowned character, Harshad had become hounded by media or the journalists pursuing him, comes very different in experience. How was that experience for you while playing? Because you seem to be quite in the limelight
Oh,
as a
that was
character.
okay. I mean, yeah. So it was while playing, it was very interesting to do that because media then was very different, and there was only media. There was no social media, which is even killer.
So, right, I'll just bring in the guest caller for you, Pratik, before we have to let you go at any point. So, I would like to invite Siddharth Chalan from Kolkata. He wants to take up a question with you. He's an aspiring
Sure.
actor himself and would like to take that
Oh,
up.
Okay, thank you, India Podcast, for such an amazing opportunity. Hi, Pratik. Congratulations for
hello.
huge. So, Pratik, my
Thank you very
question
much.
is, yeah. So you have been working so long for so many years now in Gujarati theatre. So, what is that one thing that kept you up with your craft up to this point of time without any huge success hitting you since so long? What is that one thing you would advise for the aspiring
I
youngster?
So I think as an actor, no, you should become little selfish and select the script where you find something to perform. Don't select the script on the basis of the money or number of shows, as far as the theater is concerned. select the script on the basis of its own merits and the character which is offered to you, because that's where we learn.
Yeah.
Number of shows, the average of shows will, that's okay. That's all okay. Those are all byproducts. So I have done a lot of experimental plays, which are not even considered in the mainstream as plays. You know, they don't even consider it as a play, but that's okay. Where I actually got to explore my craft, I got to challenge myself as an actor, and that worked for me.
Got it. Got it. That's an amazing, that's a beautiful piece of advice.
So, Pratik, last question that we have says that how did Pratik imagine himself as Harshit Mehta, or he just wanted to communicate to audience, to tell the story? What is his preparation method for effortlessly? Like you've spoken about how you had to put on weight and other things, but were there any other preparation that you really had to do mentally? Technically, it's a subject that you require little knowledge about. You can't just be like, you have to prepare. It's a complete financial world. The terms are so tough. VR and so many banking terms. So how
Yes.
did that preparation go? Did you have to open your books?
Yeah, PDO, ledgers, and everything. So what I did is that I always, try to do it this way in any character, anywhere that I do. That whatever I say should come from within. It should not come out as a dialogue that I have read and I have mugged up.
Okay.
And specifically in subject like this, where I actually have to use a lot of financial jargons, which I personally don't relate to, which I don't even use it in my regular life. And still, when I'm exploring or explaining the entire process of how this money market works, so ये सब मतलब I should know it in detail to an extent that whenever I'm saying anything, it should come from within, and people should feel that यार ये बंदे को knowledge है, ये तो जानता है सब.
Exactly.
That's when they can relate to the character. Similarly, for whatever smallest thing that I've done, be it that constant movement of my thumb or finger to show that restlessness, or that stout posture to show the arrogance, or that sharp look, or one-sided smirk, which shows the ego and all. ये सारी चीजें हैं. I've practiced it in such a way, I have imbibed it in such a way that it becomes a part of my body. And so when I perform, you as an audience should not feel that they are बहुत try कर रहा है. He's trying hard to create this, but they should feel कि ये आदमी ऐसा ही होगा शायद.
We felt it. It took me hard to relate to you now because I feel it's two different people I'm talking to. You've beautifully got in and got out. I have to give you that. I mean, this whole thing took 3 months to prepare. I mean, the whole process of making the web series for you. It was a 3-month process.
Not 3 months. So yeah, 85 shoot days over a period of 6 months.
So Pratik, you've been a theater boy and now you've come to web series world. How do you see your journey? Next is what project in hand? Do you prefer movies, web series or theater now? You've given a choice.
Oh, I am open for all the formats. Radio natak ho, chahe plays ho, or cinemas of any regional language or mainstream or web series. I am open for all the formats and all the experiments. And that's what I like doing.
And Pratik, before we have to thank you for this amazing engagement I have with you, because I just completed your show yesterday. So for me, it's more a real life experience to see that happen. Can you just help us know that one dialogue that really would be your favorite one while doing the entire series? Anything that you used to play behind the screen and keep repeating to yourself?
So risk hai to isk hai to, that's one dialogue that has been used widely anywhere, anytime.
How did
and the way I'm seeing people, the way people are making memes out of it. There are T-shirts being sold. There are mugs being sold. Look at this.
Oh my God.
I mean, I am going crazy over it.
I had a request for you to speak that Kundli wala line. I don't know which particular line somebody.
Yeah, I know that. जब जेब में मनी हो तो कुंडली में शनि होने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ये मेरी एस्ट्रोलॉजी है.
That's pretty powerful. Thank you so much, Pratik, for your time, for sharing your moment. We wish to be in touch with you ahead with all your projects. We wish you a lot of luck and great work, really great work. And this really has been a result of all your 15 years of approach to the profession and the character.
Thank you very much.
Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, guys.